Hey guys, I'm Mac with Pest Service. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Man, I always want to give y'all some quality content, some good information so you can make the best possible decisions on protecting your home and your family from bugs, termites, anything of that nature. And I want to do that today. You know, I get a lot of questions about do-it-yourself products, DIY products. I'm not against DIY products. You know, if the homeowner wants to do their own pest control, hey, have at it. Here's the thing. I want you to do your research, and also I want you to read the label. I want you to apply the product right. A lot of things get messed up and people get hurt, pets get hurt. Plants and things that get messed up when people don't read the label and they apply some of these products inconsistent with the label. And so I want to just say right out of the gate, just read the label and do exactly what it tells you to do. And if you do it, I promise you'll probably have some luck. You know, you'll have some good results out of it. But you know, if it tells you to do 1 ounce or 2 ounces, whatever it may be, do that. Don't go above and beyond. You'll mess things up. But there's one question I get all the time, and it's about termite bait stations. There's a lot of people that will go to Home Depot or go to Lowe's and they'll get these termite bait stations that look like this. Okay, they get this brand right here. I've seen it around so many houses, and people think that their house is adequately protected. They think that because they put this around their house, that their house is gonna be protected from termites. And honestly, I think some people just misled about these things, okay? Because here's the thing, the question is, will these kill termites? The answer is yes, absolutely. It will kill termites. Now, the next question is, will it adequately protect your home against termites? I don't think so. I really don't think you're gonna get the adequate protection that you need with using something like this. And I wanna unbox this thing, and I wanna give you some things to consider, some things to think about if you're thinking about purchasing something like this for your home. A lot of people think that this and this is the same thing. It's not the same thing. This and this is not the same thing. Yes, they have the same idea. Yes, they work very similar to one another, but they're totally different. This is Spectracide, this is Centricon, okay? I wanna go over both of these with you, okay? Because I want you to be adequately informed about each one of these, okay? Now, this what I have in my hand is Spectracide bait stations. I just went to the store and bought this. This is, it says right on here, this is termite detection and killing stakes. Wow. All right. It says it's a 2-in-1 product. It says it's a pop-up indicator. It detects termite activity and it kills foraging termites. Now, is that true? I think to a certain degree it is, okay? It will kill termites, but it doesn't protect your house. Let me see here. Let's look at the active ingredient. What's the active ingredient? Hexafluoran. Hexafluoran is an insect growth regulator. Now, is that a bad active ingredient? Absolutely not. Matter of fact, when the Centricon station's baiting system first came out, hexafluoran was the active ingredient that they used. Now they use a different active ingredient. But hexafluoran is a good product. It's an insect growth regulator because what it does and how it operates is that termites have an exoskeleton. And they have to shed that exoskeleton to move to the next stage of their life cycle. This does, it prevents the termites from shedding that exoskeleton and moving on to the next stage of their life cycle. And what happens is when the workers die off, then the whole colony collapses and the whole colony dies off. That's the concept of this. But the thing of the matter is that these little stations right here, it's recommending you to put, let me see, on a 1-story home, 1,200 square feet, It says you just need 10 stakes. That's all you need. That's what they say. Okay, well, in this box right here, there's 5 stations, or 5 little things. Let's just open it up and look at it. This is it. That's what it looks like. Just take a look at it and see what it looks like. This is what it looks like right here. So basically inside this, you put these in the ground around the outside of your home. This must be the pop-up indicator. It must indicate when termites are in here. But you know what? I've been around a lot of houses and I've seen these and they've been popped up and I pulled them up. I've asked the homeowner, of course, and there's no termites in it. When this gets really wet, it will cause that thing to pop up. So this is not a really good indicator that there's termites in here. Also, on the inside of this, you know what, matter of fact, I wanna do something. Let's open it up. Let's see exactly what it looks like. Okay, I got a hacksaw. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna cut this thing open. Here it is. All this is cardboard. That's how much cardboard you have. So basically this cardboard is probably soaked in the active ingredient hexafluoron. This is nothing. This right here is nothing. You know, if it gets really wet, this is gonna be destroyed in no time. And how many people are buying this product and putting it around the outside of their home, thinking that they're okay? They're just going about their business. They're going playing baseball and running kids to school and doing their chores and going to work and going to church and doing those things, and they're thinking their house is protected. This is nothing. This thing right here, and a matter of fact, if termites did get into this and start eating it, this will be gone in no time, and it will kill probably a few termites, but it's not going to protect your house. So this is not a lot. So they're recommending only 10 of these around the outside of the house. Our average house that we put Centricon around has anywhere on an average of 20 to 25 to 30 stations around the outside. So keep that in mind if you're thinking about buying something like this. I thought this was very, very interesting also, because it says here, installs in minutes, also has a money back guarantee. I don't know how that's gonna happen, but so it's got a money back guarantee. But I find this statement very, very interesting. Check this out. It says, for active infestations, contact a Dow professional at getcentricon.com. Really? So they're saying, hey, if you already have termites in your house, don't use this product. If you already have termites in your house, contact Dow, a Dow representative at getcentricon.com. In other words, call a Dow rep so they can get Centricon on your house. Okay, here's the thing. This one station right here only has the capacity to kill 2 whole colonies. There's enough active ingredient in this bait station to kill 2 whole colonies. Is there a difference between this and this? Absolutely. This doesn't have hardly anything in it. This has enough active ingredient to kill 2 whole colonies. Also, I want to make this note, this is not a paid promotion from Centricon at all, okay? At our company, we use Centricon. We use it as a standalone treatment for post-construction. So that means if your house is already built and you want to get termite protection on your home, we put Centricon around your home, okay? If you have live termites in your home, guess what? We use this as a standalone treatment, okay? So we recommend doing this. This right here is going to protect your home. That's why I recommend don't do DIY bait stations. Call a professional, okay? The one reason why I love the Centricon termite baiting system is, one, we don't have to drill around the outside of your house. We don't have to dig up your landscaping. We don't have to put hundreds of gallons of chemical around your home in order to protect it. We can put these around the outside of your home and it's gonna protect your home, okay? And how it works, the termites forage in the ground every square inch of earth around their colony, and they find these bait stations. There's gonna be anywhere from 20 to 30 on an average size house, not 10, okay? There's gonna be 20 to 30 stations around an average size home. They find this bait. Matter of fact, they love this stuff. Okay, they find it, they go back to the colony, they leave a scent trail that says, hey guys, at the other end of this trail, there's food, go get you some, and let's feed everybody else with it, okay? And so they get it, they take it back to the colony. Now this is also a chitin synthesis inhibitor, or an IGR, an insect growth regulator. It works the same way as hexafluoron. It's a great product, okay? And it keeps the termites from molting or shedding their exoskeleton, and keeps them from going to the next stage of their life cycle, so they die. And so the workers that do all the feeding of the colony, that take care of the colony, that build the mud tubes, that get all the food, all of that, all the grooming, everything, the workers take care of everything within the colony. It kills off those workers. And once they die, the colony collapses. In each colony, you know how many termites or how many individuals can be per colony? It can be anywhere from 300,000 to 1 million members per colony. This has enough to eliminate 2 colonies. So you think about it like this. So let's just say you had 20 stations around the outside of your home. That's enough active ingredient to kill 40 colonies. In the state of Florida, they've already said that there's 20 to 25 colonies per acre of land in Florida, okay? So you have enough active ingredient in these that are around your home to kill up to 40 colonies. This right here is not going to protect your house. So don't be led astray by these things right here. Yes, or let's don't be enticed by the price, okay? Don't be enticed by the price, because this is a lot cheaper, and that's exactly what it is. It is cheap, and you're not getting what you're paying for. If you invest the proper amount of money that you need, you can protect your home with these right here, and you're gonna be taken care of, okay? Now, hey, first of all, thank you for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing. I think right now at this time we have 760 subscribers to our channel. Thank you for that. If you had any questions, put them down in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have, or if you have any video ideas or content ideas, I would greatly appreciate it. I try to get back to every single one of our comments and things of that nature. If I've missed one, I am deeply sorry. I try to get to every single one of them. But hey, also, I have a video right here. It's the Discover the Secrets to the Termite Inspection Process. It's one of my top videos. Go check that out if you want to know the, termite inspection process and how and what's involved with that. I think it'd be very helpful when you're talking about, how to treat termites as well. But hey, listen, I really wanted you to know the difference between, the DIY bait stations that you get at Home Depot or Lowe's, okay? Because a lot of people really think that their house is protected, and it's just not, okay? And so I just recommend just really investing in a product like this with your professional, that whatever area that you live in, they'll take care of you. And also too, this right here is completely, harmless to pets and kids and things of that nature, because this is an insect growth regulator. It prevents termites from molting. It's a chitin synthesis inhibitor. Dogs and mammals and kids, we don't molt. We don't go through that process. So this is completely safe, and it's low impact on the environment too. You're not going to have any issues with it at all. Okay. The only results you're going to see out of this is a termite-free home. That's what you're gonna see. But anyway, hey, I want to just thank you for watching this video. I felt like I just needed to come on here and let you guys know the difference between the two, because a lot of people don't know. I say this all the time. You don't know what you don't know. Okay, you don't know what you don't know, and you look on that box and this says, oh, it kills termites. Yeah, it does, but it's not going to kill the colony, and it's not going to adequately protect your house. But anyway, thank you for watching this video, and if you need anything from us here at Aero Pest Service, reach out, man. God bless.